What's the word, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Just got done working out here at the gym, so I figured I'd take you guys on a POV. I also need to get gas too on the way because I did not get gas before I got here, so we're definitely gonna have to stop and get gas. Man, and my check engine light came back on again, but I actually know why it's doing that, and it's because whenever I did the smoke test on this car, the O-ring for the PCV or CCV hose, there was smoke seeping out of it, so I think that O-ring is bad, so I have to replace that. And I also think that hose is actually cracked, so I might have to replace that hose. But it literally just came on like before I turned the camera on, like before I got to the gym. It came on again, so. And I've been driving the car for probably about a week or so, and it hasn't been on, so. It's not nothing too crazy to worry about, because the car can still run and drive fine, you know, but I definitely do need to get it replaced. I do need to fix it so that I can stop getting this check engine light on. Luckily, I did all my emissions and all that stuff. I did an oil change, so I'm done with all that stuff. All the maintenance stuff is up to date right now. So, only other thing that should be coming up, like maintenance-wise, is the brakes. I need new brake pads here very soon. So, because last time I checked, they were kind of worn, so. Definitely need to, you know, fix those, but everything else is pretty much good on the car right now. I probably could use a rotation for the tires, rotation and alignment, probably could, just to get a little bit more life out of these tires. But other than that, everything else has been pretty good. Shoot, I shouldn't have nothing else to replace. I mean, I've basically replaced everything now. I got a new engine, got a new trans, got new pretty much everything. I mean, I'm pretty much being honest. I've got pretty much brand new everything. So I'm just sick of having to fix stuff for this car, man. I want to just be able to enjoy it, do the mods that I want to do to it, just enjoy driving the car. Like, I'm sick of fixing stuff, you know what I mean? But at the same time, the realistic part of it is this is like coming up on like the this will be coming up on the 4-year mark that I've been daily driving it. So I mean, this is kind of like the time where things are kind of going to start, you know, going on their way out. All the stuff that we tried to like save when I was restoring the car is like now going out, because the car is getting ready to hit basically around 200,000 miles. When we got the car, it was at about 105K for the engine, on the engine. So, and I've been driving it a lot. It's been, you know, like I said, about 4 years now since I did that. So, but yeah, I'm super excited for what I got coming in the mail next week. We got a new mod coming for the car, and I'm so excited to show you guys. If you guys don't follow the Instagram already, make sure you follow it, because they will know first. Instagram will know first what it is. And then I'm also going to make a video, you know, the installation and stuff, show you guys how it looks or whatever. But people on Instagram, people who follow the Instagram, they will know first. So make sure you guys follow that. I know I haven't been the most consistent the past few weeks or whatever, or actually probably the past month. Things have just been kind of changing, been kind of like adjusting to new stuff. So definitely trying to, you know, get adapted to that. Your boy started his own business not too long ago, so I've been trying to do more refinements to that. I started a web design business, so I've been trying to like get everything in motion with that as well, focus on that, while also, you know, maintaining, getting you guys out content as well. So one thing that I've been learning about is having multiple streams of income. I mean, I'm learning how to do that, you know, and I'm learning different ways that I can do that, and I want to be able to do that for myself, to set myself up, you know, right, not only just so that I can be, you know, financially well off, but it's also just so that I can be able to provide, you know, content for the channel. You know, I don't want to make it seem like every time that I don't have something to post, I want to post a POV, because that's not what I want to do. I want to be able to have enough, you know, content, you know, coming in so that I can continue to post for you guys, you know. Yeah, the POV videos are great, and I think you guys somewhat enjoy them, but I don't want to keep relying on them, if that makes sense. So, but yeah, that's mainly what I've been focusing on. I mean, that's the reason why I haven't been so consistent on YouTube lately. I'm still committed to it. I still really love and truly love posting videos. I love posting content. I love YouTube. I love all of it. I love all of my supporters. You guys are amazing, man. I mean, oh man, it's about to rain for real. Maybe not. But yeah, I truly do love all of my supporters. I'm gonna go this way. I love all of my supporters. You know, I really do appreciate all of you guys, you know, showing love, especially to like a small channel, man. I'm not like this, you know, well-known person, but like, you know, you guys are just showing so much love to the channel and to the content, giving me advice, giving me tips. You know, and I'm like an open book, yeah, man. Like, I'm like an open book, man. If you guys ever want to like DM me, ask me questions and stuff, feel free to, man. Like, just, you know, I always respond to comments and stuff. So if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free, please reach out. I will always, you know, try my best to get back to every person as much as I can. Yeah, I'm like an open book. I'd love to, you know, kind of shed my light, even if it's just about like, you know, how to, you know, make content, or it's, you know, how I've learned how to do this, you know, or even if it's about the car, like anything, man. I'm an open book. I love to kind of shed light on people, and kind of, you know, share my knowledge, share what I've found out, what I've figured out. I mean, I've been doing YouTube for almost, you know, 2 years now, so I've figured out some things about, you know, how to do stuff. Yeah, I'm not like, you know, Mr. Beast or nothing, but at the same time, I'm like, you know, I've learned some things as well to try to get me to that level, you know. So, but anyways, that's enough of my chatting. Car's been great. Just waiting to put some more mods, you know, into it, just for the channel and also for myself. I really just want to see this car the way that I want to have it, you know what I mean? So yeah, car's good. Hope you guys have been good as well. I'm gonna go ahead and stop and get gas really quick because we're getting low. While I'm at it too, I'm also gonna show you guys how much it costs to fill this car up, because it's not cheap. I'm gonna be honest, especially with this car having to take 93, which is premium in my state. It costs a decent amount is what I'm trying to say. So look at this car, y'all. This car is beautiful. You can't lie, this car is, oh, it's amazing. Since I refreshed the headlights, it looks so much better. This car looks amazing. I definitely need to get this front emblem replaced because that looks so ghetto. Like, there's so many like small imperfections that's wrong with the car, like, but from a distance it looks amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. It's just stuff that, it's stuff that I pay attention to. It's stuff that most people wouldn't look at. If like you've seen it from a distance, you'd probably just be like, oh man, that's a nice car. I'm gonna get the thumbnail. All right, got the thumbnail. Let's see how much it was. Let's see. Dude, $49. I told y'all, this car is not cheap. See, but before I tuned this car, it was great on gas. I barely spent a dime on this car. But now that it's tuned, man, it eats right through gas. It's ridiculous. It eats right through it. Especially that premium. I think they really watering down this gas, bro, because this gas be going by way quicker now. But anyways, I'm done chatting. I'm gonna let you guys go. I appreciate all you guys for watching. I know this was pretty short, but I'm trying to keep the POVs whenever I do post them pretty short, just so I don't bore you guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. Make sure you guys look out for next week's video. Make sure you guys look out for next week's video because that's gonna be amazing. I'm super excited for the mod, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So if you don't already follow the Instagram, make sure you do all the YouTube stuff. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. I appreciate all the new subs and all the new supporters. I love you guys so much, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one.